In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on OKX Wallet. So first of all, open up your OKX Wallet, and then from here, from the Home tab, go ahead and search for the crypto that you want to buy, and that is Bitcoin, and we can already see it in here. So let's go ahead and click on BTC. And then from here at the bottom right, we're going to click on Buy and Sell. And here we can enter the amount that we want to buy. So I'm just going to buy for everything that I have. So let's go ahead and fill it in because that is my balance at this moment. And you can also change the payment method by clicking on that. And then you can select to pay with card or with balance. And that will come with no fee, as you can see. So I'm just going to select my balance. And from here, I'm going to click on Preview at the bottom. And in here, I need to confirm by clicking on Buy BTC down below. So let's click on this. And now it is processing, as you can see. And as you can see as well, the order is complete. So the crypto has been added to my portfolio. And now I can just click on Review Details. And then I will just see everything that happened in this transaction. So that is how you do it. Right now, I'm going to my profile to see if the Bitcoin is added. And that is basically how you do it. So my balance is topped up. And I can already see that I have Bitcoin in my account right now. Because when I click on crypto, I will see the Bitcoin that I just purchased. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.